welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too. Because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, here we are. Welcome, welcome. It is October 14th, 7:34 p.m. in New York, and we are here to do the Asia session, trading gold and gold futures. So let's start looking at our charts and seeing how things are shaping up. We've got the 10-second futures chart right here, and I'm seeing a trade that I want to take right here. If this pops above here with some ambition, I'd like to take that trade because we can see, if we get over here to the 1 minute chart and we get it updated to where it's supposed to be, we can see that we've got a resistance built up right here. Price seems to want to push up, just has not done it yet. It's going through a resistance zone, some order blocks, but it seems to have some, enough buying pressure that it might pop, and if it does, that might be something I want to take advantage of. But first things first, I haven't set up my Asia session pivots yet, so why don't we do that? Let's do that together. Change that to a 1 hour chart. Get some dramatic drums for us to do this. All right, sorry, I'm not turning on the lights and have the, the camera in my face right now. Been a long day. I feel like sitting here in the semi-darkness, getting in the zone to trade. Don't feel like turning the lights on. Hope that's okay with you for tonight. Won't always do it that way, of course. All right, let's, what do you say we bring down the mood a little bit? Play a little jazz in the background. Lower it just a little bit. And let's bring up the Zoom room. All right, what we want to do here . There we go. Okay. Now let's start bringing our pivots over. Whoa, look at this. We are not watching here. Look what happened. We pushed above that. Now let's see if there's a trade. Come back down for the retest. And it looks like we're pushing up again. Got a pivot here? No. So let's go with it. How are we supposed to do this? Here we go. All right, let's go with it. We have hit a little bit of a resistance here on the Renko, and it looks like we are moving in the opposite direction now. Don't like that. Seems to be el plato de cada día though recently. I think I'm wrong. I think I will get out of this trade. Oh, the momentum petered out on me right after I got into the trade. I don't think we have enough volume to push through here this time, so I think I'll get out. With whatever little bit it lets me out with here. Is that all it's going to do? Not going to give me a little bit more. I think that's probably about the best I can do. Right? Yeah. There we go. -10. I'll take it. Now watch it blast right through there. I did take -10. I'm okay with that. All right, let's finish getting our our pivot set up. I let that distract me. I'll get the stats updated here in a minute too, because those stats are from earlier. Yeah, I'd still be waiting there. Still be waiting there. That's okay. It's not about the patience. It's about the chance of it just taking a dive while I'm sitting there waiting for it to go up one tiny little pip or one tiny little tick. And while I'm trying to not take a bath on the $10 or whatever I was taking the loss on there, I end up taking $100 loss or $120 loss just because I was too stubborn to get out of the trade. That's the wrong muscle to build. All right, DM2 or DS2, excuse me. Okay, now let's put these suckers in the right place. All right, now we're heading up, aren't we? Now it wants to do it. All right, let's change that stats panel. It's bothering me. First of all, now we are Asia session 0, 0, 0, 0.
What's good?
Hey, Tono, how are you?
Good. How you doing, man? Just you and me?
Just you and me, yep.
All right.
Let me put you up on the screen. It's looking like we're going to head up right here, and I was wanting to take this trade.
Say it.
Got a couple ticks or a couple pips before it hits that bear volume on the 1 minute.
Yeah. We're at the top of the market, though.
Yeah, that's the thing.
There's a swing high on the 1 second chart, too. So you got to be careful of that.
Okay. DR2 42 2659.
Oh.
Yeah, so I had to take my car to the dealer today to
Oh, you did?
get it serviced. You know, I have a dealer, not a dealer, I have a car repair shop up the street that, you know, does the usual oil change, the fluids, and all that stuff for me a couple times a year. But, you know, once every year and a half or so, I got to take it to the dealership and have them, you know, give it the whole once over. And we had a problem with
Yeah.
one of the motors in the mirror. You know, when you turn the car on, the mirrors fold
Oh,
out.
yeah. They fold out, yeah.
Yeah, and the motor in one of the mirrors wasn't working very well. So that's like $800. Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had a Mercedes, which was an S class, right?
Uh-huh.
And it was one of the long wheelbase Mercedes.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know if you remember those cars, not the real big ones.
Yeah.
And it had one windshield wiper,
Uh-huh. Yep, I remember those.
$2,000.
You're kidding.
Nope,
Oh, wow.
$2,000.
We coming down here? What's going on?
Yeah, Larry, we're coming down. I was like, unbelievable.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's one thing I don't miss with the Tesla. I have no repairs, man.
That's great.
No gas. I don't have to pull into a gas station, and no repairs. Like none. I'm like, wow, that's the only thing they got right.
That's great.
Just gotta put your windshield washer fluid in.
Right.
So D'Angelo died today,
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
and Angie Stone died, I think, within the last 12 months.
Yeah.
So now the kid has no parent.
Uh,
Terrible, right?
yeah. Yeah. How did Rock and E-Man make out today? You know, I think, well, Rock said he did really well, right? That Mary made 7 pips, Rock made something like 14
Yeah. He
pips.
said he had made 14, right?
Yeah.
I've got this 4 o'clock conference with this company that does, well, they're supposed to do everything for you.
Yeah.
And, you know, promotion, all your videos, everything for you.
Uh-huh.
And they only get paid when you get paid.
Interesting. They must be pretty selective then on what projects they accept.
Yeah, I'm assuming. Yeah. There's another company I had a meeting with today. That's why I got off kind of early too. They're called the you could download called the coaching app.
Uh-huh.
You might even want to look into them.
Okay.
They have free stuff too. They have free classes and stuff like that. They teach how to present your stuff, blah blah blah, this and that. But they also have accreditations, right?
Yeah.
I think it's like 3 for this course, and you get like 5 accreditations. Now, the accreditations may not mean much here, but I've noticed the UK traders and stuff like accreditation,
Yeah.
or the US likes Lamborghinis.
But
You know what
I
I mean?
mean,
Show 'em a Lamb.
don't UK traders, if they have accreditation, doesn't that mean like from an official government regulator or something?
It's accredited from a university,
Oh, I
so
see.
the university accreditations. So they kind of weigh it's not like the FTC Series 6 and 7 license and stuff like that here.
Yeah,
You know, you need those if you're going to trade for some other people's money.
yeah.
I don't know what it wants to do. It looks like it looks like a stupid thing.
I don't say what a stupid thing in your contacts.
Shut up, Siri. Fucking listening to people. Talking about what kind of money. What kind of money you want? I was like, what? I said this stupid thing. I don't see stupid thing in your contacts. Like, just gonna say they really listen to everything you say, man. Unbelievable. I bought this what is the Alexa, right?
Yeah,
Alexa's Amazon, right?
yeah.
So I needed a new clock for my bedroom. So I bought this clock, not realizing it was Alexa, right?
Uh-huh.
Alexa clock.
Yep.
And plugged it in, set it up, watching TV. My wife and I are talking. We say something. She says, "You want me to do what?" And do blah blah blah. I said, "What? What the fuck?"
Yeah, yeah.
I'm like, this thing been listening to us all this time, having sex and everything else.
No,
What the
no.
hell's going on? What the hell is going on? I'm
Um,
like, you gotta go, you know. And then and you could turn it off, right? And then a few days later, it was back on again. So I was like, they are sneaky, man. Look like it wants to come down. What is there?
Shit, sorry, I walked away from my desk. I could hear you because I have my headphones on. But
Right.
I was talking back to you, but since I walked away from the microphone,
I kind of heard you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Where is it coming down or is it not?
I don't know. We're in a huge support zone right now on the 1 minute Hakanashi.
Oh yeah.
Hang on, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Leave some money for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, did you get faked out?
I didn't get in.
Okay. Oh shit! I forgot to get what I meant to get. All right. Oh, did you get
So
that?
I got in. No, what happened was when you asked me, did I get in?
Yeah.
I had gotten in on a demo account that I run. I keep a demo account up.
Yeah.
So when I look at a particular trade that I'm unsure of, I'll
Yeah.
do it on the demo account just to see what it would have done. And it was a $50 pip move on it. So I could have actually taken that trade.
But did you take this one? Oh, but you didn't take it after that?
No, I didn't take it after that because once it hit the 161, 160, yeah, there it is now.
Yeah, I was just about to take that. Did you get in?
That's I'm getting ready to get in. I got in on one.
That's
then
the 8
took
o'clock
other.
candle.
Yeah, let's see what it does. My copy trade has been acting up today.
Yeah.
Since this morning. It got in on one, but not the other three. So I'm not going to actually force the other three. I'm negative right now. Really nothing under 59.
Coming up on the MR2 right now, here at 56.
fake out.
Yep. It's gonna slice right back through that order block there on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get any of that. I didn't get any of either.
No.
Damn, that would have been a good buy. Right off the WR2, so it was kind of predictable. If there ain't no trade, there ain't no trade.
Yeah. It's gonna be one of those nights.
Yep. Yeah, but we can hack it.
It's weird. I have this algo indicator
Yeah.
that I bought. I never use it. It's called the Algo Pro.
Mm-hmm.
It's not Elite Algo. It's a different one, right? Algo Pro
Yeah.
Market Matrix. And I decided to put it on one of my charts today, and I'm watching it just to see if it's any good.
Yeah.
Um, and it has the volume point of control,
Yeah.
has a reversal zone, and they've been spot on.
Huh. That's cool.
Yeah, it has liquidity. Where the liquidity comes in, so far it's been spot on. I really stripped my charts down to almost nothing.
But you have this new one on it?
I have this on a separate chart
Uh-huh.
with nothing else on it, just to see what it looks like.
What's it called again?
It's called Algo. It's called Algo Pro.
Algo Pro. But that's not on TradingView, right? You have, or I mean, it is on TradingView, but I mean, you have to get
Yeah,
it
you have
like
to buy it,
separately, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
You got to get it separately, yeah.
Does it look cool?
I bought. It looks pretty good. I'll take a picture of it if you want to see it. I bought it like a year ago,
Hmm.
and I never placed it on my charts. And while I was cleaning my charts up today, I noticed that I never used any. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Has 13 different templates to it.
Hmm.
It has like a built-in RSI. It has I don't know what BOS means.
Your DOS. That's where you place trades.
BOS?
Oh, BOS. I know what that
Yeah.
is. Hang on. Oh, come on. I know what that is. Oops. Having a brain freeze.
I'd probably go look up the video.
Break of structure. Break of structure.
Break of structure. Correct. And I noticed that it keeps updating itself, which just shows me that it's doing something.
I think we're going up here. No, did I do it wrong?
I wasn't watching this time, but I think you got it right.
I don't know. The way I like to get it, it would already have been moving past here.
The wrinkles is pointing up, so
Yeah,
you
yeah.
should be able to get into some profit. But I don't like the momentum behind anything right now. That's the only reason why I wouldn't take in any trade, because the momentum's just not there.
I see. Now I'm tangled in this swing or on this bear volume in the in the 1 minute where I thought we were moving through it.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm only 10 in profit.
Could be going up a little bit. The wrinkle look like it wants to run a little bit. Did you get it?
Keep going, Betty.
It's coming
It,
down.
it showed me 80, but I could only get 40.
Yeah, it's turned around on you.
Yeah.
Top of the market again. Right. This is where it kind of turned around last time, I think.
Yeah.
my glasses, but it ain't my glasses.
Yeah.
It's like I got this film over my eyes, man.
Right.
It's driving me crazy. I really got to do something about it.
Right.
Every 5 seconds, I'm wiping my glasses clean, and I realize that it ain't my glasses. What's your momentum look like?
Momentum?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You have a momentum indicator, right?
I use a couple volume indicators.
Okay.
Momentum, I just judge by price action.
All right.
Do you have a do you judge momentum some other way?
No, just by price action.
Yeah.
I thought you might have had a momentum or volume indicator that was telling you who's in the market right now.
No. No. taking any of that?
I wasn't. I was doing some calculations. Missed it.
Yeah, I missed it too.
Trying to break down clients versus group mentorship versus one-on-one mentorship.
Oh. Right to the WR2. Looks like we're slicing through. I missed that. That was an obvious trade, and I missed it. So my trading mentor called me up tonight. Told me how bad I am at this.
Yeah, right.
Come on. He said, dude, when I first met you, I did not think it would take you this long to learn how to trade. Did not think that you were that big of an idiot.
No, you know what it is, man? I don't think that at all. What you're doing is something different.
Yeah.
You're creating a new strategy.
Well, sort
You're not
of.
because you're not trading spot. You're trading. You're not using hedging. You're
Yeah.
not trading spot. So it's not as if you're trading my strategy and you're having problems.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you kind of expect to be in this.
I'd like to take this down even further, but I don't trust the MR2. Well, we got 1 minute for the 8:30 candle. That might blast it through.
That's what I'm waiting on to see what happens on 8:30.
Ah, it just hurts to let this go by.
There it is too.
Yep. 30 seconds for 8:30.
You'll be happy when it turn around and go the opposite way.
Hmm.
You didn't get in on the short.
10 seconds. There it is.
But what's it doing? Not doing anything.
There's parity with strength right now.
They're both equally weak.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why we're not seeing anything happening.
Yeah. Kind of ran out of steam there coming down. I smell correction in the air. Start making a couple candles that look like this on the 5 minute. 500 to 1 odds in your favor. Does it go up from here or down from here?
You were asking me?
Yeah. You bet $1, you make 500 if you win. If you had to take that bet, what would you bet?
Right now, I would say up.
Up?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Because it's not correcting itself yet.
Yeah. Yeah.
When I set it down earlier, it was at 41.55. It's right there now, but it went up to 41.69. See,
Yeah.
it went up to 41.69. So we didn't break the low as far as I'm concerned. From when I sat down, I mean, it started at 141.40, the Asian session or the 6 o'clock session.
Yeah, look at that.
But it hasn't broken that.
You won the bet. Fill that up.
I have Cash App.
It was a hypothetical. It was a hypothetical.
I know, man. I'm not going to trade this tonight because they're too equal in weakness, and it can go either which way. There's no real direction here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
I would be weary to take any trade in any direction right now.
Okay. All right. I'll just follow your I'll follow your lead here and just
Gold is not strong. It's dollar's not strong. It's just we'd be trading just to be trying to catch something.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Like throwing a fish out a net out in the water, trying to catch something when there's nothing really telling us we should even be here tonight.
Yeah. Thing is, when I think, okay, I plan to sit down from 7:45 to 9:15 or whatever, and then when we go away at 9:15, shit starts happening, and I think, well, I wasn't doing anything anyway. I could have just sat there for another 45 minutes. It wasn't going to kill me, right?
Well, you don't FOMO yourself in.
Right, that's the problem, right? You're always resisting a little bit of that.
You might see something that's just not there.
Yeah.
And now you're starting tomorrow with a negative.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's always better to come back for. Remember that these sessions aren't equal.
Yeah.
Right. You have to keep that in mind. The morning and the evening sessions are not equal.
Yeah.
So protect your morning session because that's where you're going to make your meat and potatoes.
Yeah.
The evening sessions is your gravy to put over the meat and potatoes.
Right.
So what do you want to do? Spoil your meat, spoil it for tomorrow?
Right. No.
You know what I mean?
Yep. True story.
So they're not equal. I mean, can you get some money out of the evening? Yes, you can. But I would like to see one weak and one strong. I don't want to see 0.8 and 0.5, with 0 plus point. That's like they're both nothing.
Yeah. Yep. Unless they had been far apart and then were converging and are now going to move far apart in the opposite direction.
Exactly, but they're not. They were both actually 0.8, 0.6, and 5 at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you get a trade and you make money, it's going to give you a false sense of righteousness. Right. Yeah. I knew I should have stayed. Now let me stay, and then you're gonna be like, boom, darn. Right. It's like the drug man. He'll give you the first hit for free.
Right.
But then you're gonna come back and pay him.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we can call it then. Unless what's going to happen here? Is it going to head up here? Yeah. Right. We don't want to spoil. We don't want to spoil our breakfast.
Nah, I'm gonna keep my morning nice and clean with no negative numbers, and you'll feel better about taking a loss if you have to.
Yeah.
As opposed to piling on another loss.
Right.
From last night. You know.
Right.
All right, I'll be on at 7:30, man.
All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Peace.
All right, YouTube. It's just us now. I guess if I'm updating the stats panel and making it exactly what it was, we had the 2 trades, the 1 loss, which was like for $10, and the 1 win, which was like 40. Across all the accounts, puts me up a little bit for the evening, and that's good enough for me. But I'm going to hang out for a little while longer. I'm just going to wait and see if anything happens here.
Y'all made $1 million yet?
Hey, man. No,
Okay.
not yet. Not yet. Tono just left. He was here a little bit ago.
Yeah, I was just I ain't know it just. I've been listening to y'all about 30 minutes.
Oh. Well, yeah.
Yeah, I was finna go to the gym, and I said, well, let me get on and mess with them right quick before I go
Right.
down here.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, the market's just not doing a whole lot. It's not doing a whole lot.
Yeah.
It's made these nice little moves here right now on the 1 minute chart. That move down and the move back up. You know, that was a nice little movement that I could have traded, but I missed it on the way down. And
Yeah,
then,
I see it
yeah.
had what it opened up, it shot up about 20 pips when it opened up, huh?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I wasn't on then, but I saw that. Yeah.
Well, I ain't gonna get messed around like I did last night.
Yeah.
I want to put over. Yeah, I made over $1,000 in my futures today.
Oh, good.
I like I said, I was over 1,000, and then placed a couple trades, and it dropped me back
Yeah.
back down about $600.
Yeah.
So I had to recover and make that 400 and something back.
Wow.
So to get back over that 1,000 mark again, you know what I'm saying? I
Yeah.
refused to get up till I made it back. And once I
Right.
did, I just left it alone. So really, I put 1,500 in the pike today. You know.
Right. Wow. Wow, that's rough. Good job though.
Yeah. I'm trying to trade differently, trading with care. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It's just got to trade differently.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to master your emotions too.
That's the number one thing, man. That's one of the things.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I get on here tomorrow, man, I might call a few calls for you, bro. See what happens.
All right. All right. That'll be great.
All right, well, I'm gonna run, man.
We'll be on in the morning. All right.
All right.
Have a good one. See ya. Bye-bye.